The field of user experience design is focused on creating digital products and interfaces that are intuitive, engaging, and easy to use. UX designers work to understand the needs and behaviors of users and then design interfaces that meet those needs while also achieving the goals of the product or service. In this YouTube video, we will explore the psychology of user experience design in depth. We will examine the principles of cognitive psychology and how they apply to user experience design, as well as the role of emotions in shaping user behavior. We will also explore user research methods, A/B testing, and case studies, all of which play a crucial role in designing effective user experiences. Whether you are a UX designer, product manager, or simply interested in the field of user experience, this video will provide valuable insights into the psychology behind effective design. By understanding the psychology of user experience, you can create interfaces that not only look great, but also meet the needs and goals of your users.
Let's start with the basics of human behavior. Humans are intricate creatures with complex wants and desires. To create successful user experiences, we must first comprehend how the human mind functions. There are several important psychological concepts that are relevant to user experience design. These include information processing in the brain, how humans form opinions and make decisions, and how emotions affect decision-making. In UX design, the way our minds process information is critical. When a user interacts with a website or an app, their brain is constantly interpreting the information given to them. Understanding how the brain processes information can help us create user interfaces that are easy to understand and manage. In addition, people are emotional beings. Our decision-making process is heavily influenced by our emotions. We must remember that our users are not only rational decision-makers, but also emotional ones when creating user experiences. After gaining a fundamental grasp of human psychology, let's discuss how these ideas can be used in user experience design. The notion of cognitive load is significant in user experience design. This is used to describe the amount of mental effort needed to finish a job. To build interfaces that are simple and straightforward to use, we must reduce cognitive load as much as we can. The notion of affordances is another crucial idea. A visual cue that indicates how an object should be used is known as an affordance. An icon, for instance, that appears to be clickable is an affordance for clicking. We can build interfaces that are user-friendly and intuitive by giving them clear affordances. Additionally, we must consider that users have short concentration spans. The most crucial information must be presented first when designing interfaces so that users can discover what they're looking for easily. Lastly, we must think about how our designs will make people feel. We can produce user experiences that are memorable and compelling by designing interfaces that elicit emotional reactions. User research is a critical component of user experience design. It involves gathering information about users' needs, goals, behaviors, and preferences in order to inform the design process. By understanding our users, we can create interfaces that are tailored to their needs and that offer a seamless and intuitive experience. There are many different methods of user research, including surveys, interviews, usability testing, and ethnographic studies. Each of these methods has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of method will depend on the research goals, budget, and timeline. Surveys are a common method of user research and are often used to gather quantitative data on users' attitudes, behaviors, and preferences. Surveys can be distributed online or in person and can provide a broad overview of user opinions and behaviors. Interviews, on the other hand, are a more qualitative method of user research. They involve one-on-one conversations with users in order to gain a deeper understanding of their needs, goals, and pain points. Interviews can be conducted in person or remotely and can provide rich insights into users' experiences and perspectives. Usability testing involves observing users as they interact with a prototype or existing product. This method can provide valuable insights into how users navigate a product and can highlight areas for improvement. Ethnographic studies involve observing users in their natural environment and can provide a holistic view of users' behaviors and experiences. This method is often used in complex or long-term projects and can provide rich insights into users' daily lives and routines. By conducting user research, designers can gain a better understanding of their users and can create interfaces that are tailored to their needs and preferences. User research is an ongoing process and should be conducted throughout the design process in order to ensure that the final product meets users' needs and expectations. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method of comparing two different versions of a product or interface in order to determine which one performs better. In user experience design, a /B testing is used to compare two different versions of a design in order to determine which one leads to better user engagement, conversion rates, or other desired outcomes. To conduct an A/B test, designers create two different versions of a design, with each version containing a single variable that differs from the other version. For example, one version might have a different color scheme, while the other version might have a different layout or navigation system. Users are then randomly assigned to one of the two versions, and their behavior is tracked and analyzed. A/B testing can provide valuable insights into how users interact with a product and can help designers identify which design elements are most effective in achieving their goals. For example, an A/B test might reveal that users are more likely to engage with a call to action button if it is placed in a certain location on the page or if it has a particular color or shape. One of the key advantages of A/B testing is that it is data-driven and empirical. Rather than relying on intuition or guesswork, designers can use A/B testing to make informed decisions based on real-world data. A/B testing can also help designers identify unexpected insights and opportunities for optimization that might not have been apparent otherwise. However, A/B testing is not without its limitations. For example, A/B testing only provides insights into the specific design elements that are being tested, and it may not capture broader user behaviors or attitudes. Additionally, A/B testing requires a significant amount of traffic or user engagement in order to generate statistically significant results, which can be a challenge for smaller websites or products. Case studies are a powerful tool for demonstrating the impact of user experience design. A case study is a detailed analysis of a specific project or product, highlighting the design process, key challenges, and outcomes. Case studies can be used to showcase the value of user experience design to stakeholders, potential clients, and other designers. When creating a case study, designers should begin by outlining the problem they were trying to solve and the goals of the project. This might include defining the target audience, identifying pain points, and outlining the desired user behaviors and outcomes. Designers should then describe their design process, including research methods, ideation, prototyping, and user testing. Case studies should also include visual examples of the design work, such as wireframes, mock-ups, or screenshots. Designers should explain the rationale behind their design decisions and how they address specific user needs or pain points. They should also highlight any unique or innovative design solutions that were developed during the project. Finally, designers should present the outcomes of the project, including any data or metrics that demonstrate the success of the design. This might include user engagement metrics, conversion rates, or other performance indicators. Designers should also reflect on the lessons learned from the project and any opportunities for future improvement. Case studies can be an effective way to demonstrate the value of user experience design to stakeholders and potential clients. By showcasing real-world examples of how design has improved user engagement, conversion rates, or other outcomes, designers can build trust and credibility with their audience. Case studies can also provide inspiration and insights for other designers who are facing similar challenges or working on similar projects. In conclusion, the psychology of user experience design is a fascinating and complex field. By understanding how the human mind works, we can create user experiences that are intuitive, engaging, and memorable. We've discussed several key concepts in psychology that are relevant to UX design, including cognitive load, affordances, attention span, and emotions. We've also talked about the importance of user research and A/B testing in creating successful user experiences. By gathering valuable insights about our users and testing our designs, we can create interfaces that truly resonate with our users. Finally, we've looked at some case studies of successful user experiences from companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Google. By analyzing these interfaces and understanding the psychology behind them, we can gain valuable insights into how to design successful user experiences. Thank you for watching our video on the psychology of user experience design. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.